Welcome to Planning for Adventure. We're a neurodivergent, slightly crazy at times Swedish-American family, sharing our ups and downs through our love for our family and struggles with chronic illness, all the while looking forward to planning for a life of gratitude and adventure. We'd love to have you along for the ride. Welcome back to Planning for Adventure. We're in Finland. Getting here, though, was not the easiest thing this year. Unfortunately, we busted our radiator. Our radiator cracked, so we need a new one. We're going to be fixing that in this vlog, and hopefully some time with family will be good for the soul.
Hip, hip, a man liver, hon liver.
So if this is your first time here, we always go to Finland pretty much every summer to get together with my side of the family. And this year we have a new family member. Mikey is here for his first summer at Vikarholmen, which is really awesome. It's really great to get together with everybody, but when you're this many people, I think we're like 19 or something like that, everybody in a tiny cabin, it's a challenge. Especially on those rainy days. Or stormy days. So, at this point, you might be wondering, why do you have a ladder underneath your van? Well, meet Glennert, our wonderful, wonderful robotic lawnmower who does a great job but also likes getting under our van and waking us up in the morning. There's a certain charm, though, to those stormy days, trying to get creative, to entertain the little ones, and just kind of cozying up with the weather instead of against it. I don't know, does that make any sense? Unfortunately, though, the stormy weather also makes it harder for me when it's time to stream shows.
Singing to the tune of a song, and the wind is gently ringing the bell.
So when we got here, it just felt like, okay, we just made it. And then we didn't want to drive the car anymore to risk damaging it or anything like that. When we did finally take a look at the radiator, it was really, really just old, torn up, looked like crap. And it was pretty obvious that we couldn't and shouldn't be driving on it. So finding a new one, not necessarily a given due to it being a older car and not a European car. It's not always easy to find parts for stuff like that, but we really lucked out. David joined a bunch of Facebook groups for like Chevy lovers, I guess, in this area in Finland, and got some really good response from people and managed to find a radiator. So when he went into the mechanic and they were like, oh, I don't know if we'll be able to find the right one and stuff. David's like, well, actually, this guy, he has one. And they were like, oh. So they ordered it, and it finally came. And now the guys are trying to put it in. So we'll see how it goes. Looks the same-ish, just not broken and gross. There are a lot of things I really, really find impressive about my husband, but the willingness to always learn new stuff on this car, it's kind of hot.
Motors in function.
And when there's this many people around, it's always fun to have a project together and get some good help.
I'm just tightening the hose clamp so it's ready to go on. So it's as tight as it can be before we push it onto the radiator. And we've got two more places. One is here and one is over there.
I think it looks really good on the floor there, on the ground.
Thank you.
Perfectly installed.
Thank you.
Can I just ask?
Can talk.
those little things, that and that.
Yes.
What are those for?
The metal ones?
This and this.
I can't see what you're pointing at.
Overflow.
Okay.
Den första är overflow.
I'm just thinking because those.
The second one is the oil tank, right? Var det inte så?
Because they're further apart on the old one.
I know.
Ja,
I know.
det går att...
Förhoppningsvis, vi ska testa det nu.
Den ena är ju en metall, det är den här. Det är den som är problemet.
Yeah. Den andra, den längst ner är på rätt plats. This?
Nej.
Nej.
Så ska den.
Okay, I think we did it like first down here. And then try to...
Kommer komma in här. När du kommer förbi.
Så.
Does anything need to be connected? I'm just guessing.
No, it works. Magic and hopes and dreams.
This one needs to reach up to here.
Där.
This. I don't think this was...
You just dra hela den där. Och,
Ja.
ja, så.
Done!
Done!
But that's just what he told me.
They have coolant at Prisma.
Let me go talk to Mom, okay, and tell her what's up.
What's going
Red,
on?
green, blue,
What?
orange,
What's going on?
purple.
We just need to buy a coolant now. And the guy at the mechanics shop said go to Biltema and buy like an original blend that you can blend with anything later, you know. And buy a lot of it because you need 15 liters, so it's the best price you can get. But then again, it's at Kokkola, which is 25 minutes away, one way. So we need either someone to take us there, or I don't know if Mandy wants to.
Tom wants to take you there on his roller skis.
Never open hot.
Never open hot.
Never open hot.
Stod med en t-shirt.
What is it? Never open hot.
Oh, don't open me then.
Is it always hot?
Yep, Arlo was right. It looks like a perfect hated paddleboard.
For now.
Time to get up. I'm thinking maybe breakfast first though.
Ja, gå upp och kolla. Men det var något.
So far, while we've been here, it has either been too rainy, stormy, or too windy for it to be pleasurable to paddleboard. So I've been trying to get Gugu up a few times the past few days while the water's still been like nice and paddleboardy-ish. But it's been a no-go. So today it was my turn to get woken up. Hey, Bailey Bob. Hi, Charlie Bear.
That's fighting.
I am torn between hiding out in the shade or getting in the water with everybody. I'm not supposed to be in the sun because of my medication. It's hard to avoid it though when it's nice weather like this, finally. Who's the cutest baby? You need to get out there because they will not stop until you're there. Uh-oh. Wild thing. Do 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 do. You need a bath, dog. Love it.
Alla får ryggen till de andra barnen. De äter ju glass.
Mamma, kan vi sitta här på stolarna och han bordet och vi sitter här på.
Okay, now you're really rocking the Big Lebowski look. I have some Coca-Cola.
Sure.
It's the dude. You photobombed the whale out there.
Oh, poor thing. Hello.
Thankfully, actually, never mind. I'm turning you around. Look at me when I'm talking to you. Okay. Dude. Why would you do that?
Dude, that.
Daisy's just staring at us. Or no, she's staring.
Yeah?
Hi, Mandy.
Hi.
I got this.
Of course you do. The dog hath been sanitized.
What a beautiful shell.
She's a pretty girl.
You would look objectively better.
Kanske.
I just like hairstyle.
Hey, wild thing. Aw, you're pretty. Well, I hope that you guys have had a good time, and I'll see you back here for the next video. Bye-bye.